Hey y'all, so ever since I posted this short showing how to make your perfect ginger red hair, I've been getting all of these questions asking me how do I dye my hair at home without any bleach. And when I tell y'all can dye your hair blue, purple, orange, red, and blonde without any bleach whatsoever, I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Before we get too deep into the video, I do want to make it known that I am not a licensed professional. If you do not feel comfortable doing these steps, please consult a licensed professional. I'm not responsible for how your hair turns out, but these are the products that I've used. I have never bleached my hair before and I got these results. So these are the Ion True Tones for dark hair permanent creams, and you want to definitely make sure that you're using dyes that are specially formulated for dark hair. And I'll explain later on in the video why these particular dyes are so powerful and amazing. Once you've got all the dye out, you want to mix it with a developer in a non-metal bowl, and you want to get the consistency nice and smooth and equal as possible. And then you want to apply it to your hair. What I'm doing now is doing a test batch because this was my first time using Ion. I have used L'Oreal's before, but not Ion's. And then after I let that test, it's time to apply. And so what I'm doing now is I'm starting at the bottom of my hair. So you want to start at your ends and work your way up to your roots. The reason why is because your roots is fresh virgin hair, and so they can come out brighter than the rest of your hair if you apply dye to them first. And so I always work from the ends up and nicely massage the dye into my hair so that it's nice and even. Let it sit for 30 minutes and these are the results. So the secret to getting my hair this red is high lift permanent creams. High lift permanent creams are way better than bleach. Bleach strips your hair of its natural pigment. It leaves it brittle, it leaves it orange, brassy, yellow. You gotta tone it. Stop doing all of that. Just get high lift permanent creams. I use L'Oreal and I've used Ion. 10 out of 10 recommend both of those. All you need is the cream, developer, some time on your hands to let it sit, rinse it out, and your hair turn into whatever color that the box says is on it. I've dyed my hair blonde, I've dyed my hair copper, I've dyed my hair red. I love red obviously, but you can dye it so many different colors. I've already shown in the beginning of the video all the different colors that you can dye your hair. So make sure you head over to Sally's or your local beauty supply store and get you a high lift permanent cream. We're leaving bleach behind in 2023. We're not damaging our hair like that no more. And so the way that it works is that it's a highly concentrated amount of ammonia in the packaging. So that way you don't have to go back and reprocess your hair after using them. It's really like a one and done type of situation, trust me. High lift permanent creams lifts your hair up to 3 to 4 shades lighter, they say on the internet, but my hair was jet black and it got this color with no bleach. Yeah, and they're not that expensive either. I just wanted to come back and show you all the price of the Ion ones are $9.49 at the time of me recording this video. They're not expensive at all. One box was enough to do half of my head, so maybe you only need 2 or 3. I stand by 10 out of 10 recommend high lift permanent creams because they are such a great alternative and actually the better route to take to dye your hair. Unless you want platinum Marilyn Monroe blonde hair, you don't need to bleach. You can get blonde hair using L'Oreal, orange hair using the Ion color, blue, pink, purple, you name it. You can dye it without bleaching your hair. So I hope you all found this helpful. If you would like to see a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial of me like redoing my roots, because I do need to redo my roots and my back, then let's like this video to 100. If we get 100 likes, I'm dropping a whole step-by-step tutorial to show y'all exactly how to use these products, how to mix them, and how to apply them to your hair. But until then, please comment down below which color you're ready to dye your hair. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on because, listen, there's more where this came from. If you found this video helpful, make sure you share it.